Susan from the Euless Public Library, and this is STEMtastic Challenge. Each week I'm going to give you a challenge that you can do at home. It'll be one of the following challenge types: build, engineer, explore, and experiment. This week we're going to do an engineer challenge. For an engineer challenge, you will be engineering or designing a project to solve a problem. In the video, we will give you a brief explanation of the science behind the project, the problem that you will need to solve, as well as a list of suggested materials. You may need to make several adjustments to your project to make it work the way you want it to. With the engineer challenge, I encourage you to use trial and error to make the best project to solve the problem. Again, feel free to work with your family or compete against your family. Discuss what works and what doesn't and why. We would love to see what you've made, so please, once you're done with your project, post a picture, video, or description in the comments, or use the hashtag STEMtasticChallenge.
Every month, all of the challenges will be based on a theme. This month's theme is love and attraction. Since Valentine's Day is this month, I thought it would be fun if all of the STEM challenges had to do with love, candy, and things that want to stick together. For this engineer challenge, we are going to engineer a candy ramp. Oh no, the candy machine at the candy factory is getting backed up and is not making candy fast enough. Design a candy ramp for the candy machine so that the machine doesn't get backed up. What angle are you going to make your ramp? Are you going to make it very steep, or are you going to make it with a gradual incline? How long is your ramp going to be? What other features are you going to give your ramp to make it more efficient for the candy machine? After you are finished making your ramp, don't forget to test it out with real candy. To help you design your ramp, here are a few things you should know about the science. Ramps are simple machines. Machines are anything that is used to decrease work, and simple machines are machines that don't have very many parts. A ramp is just an inclined plane that connects a higher level to a lower level. The incline of a ramp is called the slope, and it can be very steep or not very steep, depending on the angle of the slant. The surface of the ramp is important to the effectiveness of the ramp because it determines the amount of friction. Friction is the resistance to motion of one object moving relative to another. Less friction means more movement, and more friction means less movement. Slope as well as friction both affect how well an object will go up and down a ramp. This engineer challenge is a little more open-ended, so feel free to be creative in the materials that you use. Also remember that you are only making a prototype as a representation of your design. The materials you use in your prototype does not have to be the same materials for the actual candy ramp, nor does it need to be made to scale. Here are the suggested materials for this project. You could use cardboard, wooden planks, craft sticks, paper, foam, toothpicks, straws, foil, and of course, tape and glue. Anyways, use trial and error and have fun engineering your candy ramp. Don't forget to post a picture, video, or description in the comments or use the hashtag STEMtasticChallenge. We would love to see the ramps you have made.